I ended up in possession of that toolbox.
So suddenly this theory about a toolbox and about a wrench has a real toolbox that somehow has ended up in Derwood's possession. We're not talking in hypotheticals here. He has just told us this toolbox exists. And he had just been saying that there could possibly be a wrench in this toolbox that was used to injure and kill the children. Well, guess what? I've got this toolbox. Like, oh my gosh. Now, if this is a made-up story, I'm sorry, but this guy needs to have his ass hauled in and nailed to the wall. Who says this sort of thing? And if it's truthful, why the heck has he got this toolbox? Why is it in his possession? What the heck is going on here? See, I'm in two minds about this information because we've heard enough of Derwood's stories to know that he believes his stories. And he certainly did a big lead-in to this one. I'm about to make a statement. He wanted to make sure that he had people's attention before he gave this story. But what has he got to gain? What is the motivation here for coming up with this story? In other parts of this interview, he once again claims that Daniel has nothing to do with it, and he even makes allegations. He, at one point, claims that CPS kidnapped the children. He claims that people from the reserve kidnapped the children. He claims that people have kidnapped the children to keep them safe, and that he's pleased with them, and he thanks them, and so on one hand, he's presenting this idea that the children were taken and are being kept safe somewhere. But now he's talking about this toolbox. And he's talking about this story of a wrench being in this toolbox that was used to kill the children. And he's just so very nonchalant about it. I just cannot connect the dots here. Why is he saying this? Why is he sharing this? If this lawyer went to him with this thing, it's the sort of thing that most people would be so horrified at the suggestion of it that they wouldn't be able to then turn around and vocalise it to just publicly say, hey, guess what? This lawyer thinks I've got this. And why? Why is he offering this information up? There's so many red flags here.